Hello everyone, welcome to Ekalavya YouTube channel. It is in association with Spurti Study Circle. Today's agenda is uh, how to deal with mathematics. So, for most of the students, at least 60 to 70 percentage out of 100 have a fear of mathematics. And moreover, it has been a nightmare since their schooling. So, do you really think maths is super tough? The answer is no. It has become tough because the way it was taught. We are here to make you get rid of that maths fear, and we can make your mathematics learning as fun as possible. So, how can we deal with that fear? First, we need to uh, deal with mathematics in such a way that we should be habituated to all the calculations, fast calculations, uh, and memorizing the principle as simple as possible. So the first point you have to start with is you have to memorize first 20 mathematical tables. First point is memorize 20 mathematical tables. And the second point is remember first 50 squares. The third point is remember first 30 cubes. So if you can if I can wake you up in the middle of the midnight and ask you uh, what is 19 times 7, then you should be able to answer that question. So you have to memorize all these things in such a way that at any point in time if anybody asks you anything, you should be in a position to answer. So that way uh, uh, you can simplify your maths calculations. So if you want to make solve maths problems very fast, you need to have these basics as strong as possible so that you can solve toughest questions in a very less time. So uh, for doing all these things, for example, let's take an example. What is 87 times 93? For example, if you want to calculate. So before this, I want to discuss one more point. So you have to let me write down the fourth point. You have to improve your buffer memory. What is the meaning of this buffer memory? Buffer memory is something that you can memorize some digits, some numbers for less time. uh, let's take this example here. So if you want to calculate, here we will use there is one concept called split and merge. First we will split this number, we'll multiply, and then we'll merge it, we will addition it back. For example, uh, 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 to make it easy, multiply 9 with 8. 9 8s 72 0 0. 9 sevens 63 630 3 eights 24 240 and 7 threes 21 1 9 0 8. This is what the answer actually. So for calculating this, you don't need to use a pen and paper. You just need to calculate this on fly. So how it's possible. So this is how, I mean, this is where you need your more buffer memory. You have to first you have to multiply 9 into 8. So the logic behind this is 87. I can write this as 80 plus 7, and 93 I can write it as 90 plus 3. This into this 00, and this into this 240, this into this 630, and this into this 21. This is what I did here. So all these things you just need to memorize, or you just keep on adding the numbers. First you have to calculate 8 into 9 72 7200 plus 8 3s 24 240 7 7440 7440, and then 9 sevens 630, and then add 21. So in this way you can calculate and you can increase your math speed, so that you will be ahead of the competition. This is just a part 1. So if you like this video, please share it and subscribe it, so that you will get notification whenever we upload the next video. This is just the part 1, and we will be uploading more videos. It's a sequential part, so that we will cover more topics to simplify the mathematics. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.